Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a survey form in your WordPress website. So first of all, let me go here, and now you need to go in plugins. So now you can install the plugin in WP Forms. So this one is pro version, and you can get the plugin from here, WP Forms official website. This one, wpforms.com. So you can go here and check the pricing. After that you can go and click on add plugin, then simply you can upload the plugin zip file. So after installing the plugins, you need to go in WP Forms, then click on all forms, and to add a new form, click here button, add new. Now you can give a form name, for example, my first survey form. Then scroll down, and here you can see these are the different templates that you can easily select. You can also generate the form using AI. So here let me type a keyword survey, then scroll down, and here you can see these are the different form templates related to the survey. So this one is the basic template that you can easily use. You can also check the demo. So now click on use template, install and activate. Now scroll down. So here you can see these are the fields for the survey form. So you can change and add any of the field that you want. So for example, for the name field, you can use three different structures. So this one I think good: name, email, experience, and also you can make any field required or not. So for example, let me do this field not required, then scroll down, and this one is rating. You can also change the text, and then how we can improve. So you can also change this text, then scroll down, and here you can click on this field and you can easily replace with your own text. Scroll down, and you can also add more and more. So these are the options. Very unsatisfied. So these are the 5 different options, and after that you can click on submit button, then scroll down, and you can change submit button text, as well as you can also go in here form notifications. Then you can add here your own email, then scroll down, and also you can change this one. So after that click on save, then to add this form in website, click here embed, then you can use a shortcode, copy it, and after that you can create a new page, and you can give a title, for example survey form, then add here shortcode, then click on schedule. So now let's copy this link and view the survey form. So this one is the survey contact form that you can easily use and add this form in your website. So thank you for watching video.